Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am VJ and today I am going to teach you lecture number 55 in MS Excel 2021. Today we will talk about advanced formatting and quick formatting and how you can easily apply all kinds of formatting to your data within just a few seconds. So, before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, don't forget to like and share this video because your one like can help this video reach many more people. So let's start today's lecture. As you can see on the screen, formulas have been added here. There is also a sparkline, a table, and a chart has also been inserted. So how can we do all this within just a few seconds? For this, I have written the data here on sheet number 2. Now I have this data with me. I need to select this data like this. Now, as soon as we select the data, you'll notice that at the bottom right side, you can see this command for quick format, for quick analysis. You can also open this by pressing Ctrl Q. Here, we click and see this formatting is available to us. Now, if you want to bring in a data bar, you can do that. If you want to add color, you can do that. If you want to use an icon set, you can do that as well. And for greater than, and then here is text. If you want to clear formatting, you can also do that very easily by just clicking here. Then after this, see here. Suppose we applied this color scheme here, and after that, what do we want to do? If you want to bring in a chart here, there are many varieties of charts available to you right here. Here you have bar charts, column charts, and much more. So, as soon as we clicked here, you can see that the chart has appeared here. I am zooming out with the control key while scrolling. So see, we can adjust it anywhere here. And as for how to format the rest of the chart, I have already taught that in my previous lecture. By clicking here, you can also apply any style you want. And after that, by clicking here, you can also resize it. So in this way, you can also add charts here. And after that, for example, when we come back here, we select this. After selecting, the next command we have here is total, where you can also apply all kinds of formulas. For example, if you want to use the sum formula here, or after that, we have other formulas. And then there is the total formula, what is count, what is average, what is sum. By clicking here, we can easily apply all of these as well. Then after that, we will click here and then go to the table, and here you can convert this into a table. So the advantage of converting it into a table is that you can apply ready-made formatting to the existing data, plus use filters and functions. When you click this, you can see that the filter has appeared here, so now you can filter the data as you wish. After that, we select this here. After selecting, we bring the data up to this point here. Then after that, we click again, go to the table, and here you can also create a pivot table. See here, we can easily create a pivot table where we can find out the received amount and then the balance, or we can also display the name and so on along with it. And after that, moving forward, we will talk about spark lines. You can also add spark lines here. In this way, see here, we have these lines, these are columns, and this is win and loss. So let's click on column. See, you can also insert spark lines here very easily. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can do quick formatting in MS Excel and how you can easily apply advanced formatting as well. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.